Hello boaters, Jana here at the MarineMax Yacht Center. Welcome aboard the Azimut S8, where Italian styles meet cutting-edge innovation. Today, I will walk you through a few groundbreaking features that set this S8 apart from all the traditional yachts in the industry. Come with me. First, the use of carbon fiber. By integrating this advanced material into the superstructure and hardtop, Azimut achieves greater strength while reducing weight. The results? More space inside, greater stability, and improved fuel efficiency. Strategically, using carbon fiber in the upper section reduces weight by up to 30%, stabilizing performance and minimizing roll. Second, the propulsion. The S8 is equipped with triple Volvo IPS 1350s. This innovative system delivers higher performance with low fuel consumption, while also offering joystick docking and dynamic positioning system for a precise, stress-free maneuvering. It achieves a top speed of 34 knots, thanks to its low center of gravity and carbon fiber construction. Third is the interior layout. Azimut designed the S8 with an open and modern flow. You'll find a stunning main deck with floor-to-ceiling windows and a fully equipped galley strategically placed downstairs and out of the way. This makes entertaining effortless. With 4 ensuite cabins and crew quarters for 2 staff, this vessel has plenty of room for larger families. Lastly but not least, the aerodynamic elegance. Designed by Alberto Mancini, the Azimut S8 boasts sculpted lines and expansive glazing that not only enhances its sporty aesthetic, but also improves their aerodynamic efficiency. The Azimut S8 redefines modern yachting. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's very luxurious. To experience its elegance firsthand and to learn more, don't hesitate to contact me today. We're looking forward to seeing you on the water. Thank you.